Want to know how to use addresses in Java? We know that in Java, we cannot directly see memory addresses like in C, but we can use hash codes to represent it. So I've just used this simple compiler right here. So if you have any IDE, you can just simply use it for further advancements. So right here we have this simple code. The system.identity hash code gives us a number that represents the object's memory reference. So when you run this code, you see the text, value, and its unique addresses like code. Every time you create a new object, you get a different address. That's how addresses work in Java. So you can just simply copy up this code right here. So this is a really simple and a short line code that is more useful in your IDEs when you gotta work on addresses. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.